Hello everybody, welcome back to another Gap Languages video. In this video we are going to have a very good story about kindness of animals. Okay, before we're gonna dive in today's video, what I want you to do, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And this is a very small thing for you all, just it is a clicking a button, but it does make a huge difference for us. And this way we will also stay motivated to make more contents for you all. At the same time, if you are wanting to study Dari, Pashto, Uzbek, English with one of our tutors, you can just go at our website at www.gaplanguages.com, where you can find our tutors. We are our expert tutors who've been teaching these languages for almost a decade. We also have personalized lessons for one-on-one classes. If you want to take one of those classes, please go ahead and book your trial lesson with one of our tutors. By the way, everybody, this story is about kindness of animals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read this script in a colloquial way, and at the same time I explain the new vocabulary or the whole sentence. I'll break down everything. All right, everybody. So مهربانی حیوانات. مهربانی حیوانات. Mehrabani is kindness. Haywanat is animals. Haywan is one. It's a singular. Haywan, plural. When we pluralize it, it becomes haywanat. Haywan, haywanat. It is not some like other nouns. For example, kitab is one. If I say kitab ha, then that is plural. But here, it's one of the irregular nouns. Not haywan ha, we say haywanat. All right. در یک جنگل سرسبز حیوانات با هم زندگی میکردن. همه با هم دوست بودن. Let me read it one more time. در یک جنگل سرسبز حیوانات با هم زندگی میکردن. همه با هم دوست بودن. So this means در یک جنگل سرسبز, in a green forest or in a green jungle, haywanat, animals live with each other. They live with together. Hama با هم دوست بودن. And everybody was friends with each other. Like hama is everyone, با هم with together, دوست بودن. They were friends with each other. So literally, that is what it means. Basically, that is every animals were friends with each other. Okay. خرس، آهو و فیل با هم بازی میکردن. ناگهان آهو گم شد. خرس، آهو و فیل با هم بازی میکردن. ناگهان آهو گم شد. Okay. خرس، آهو و فیل با هم بازی میکردن. Now here, خرس, the bear, آهو is a deer, feel is elephant. So they were playing with each other. با هم بازی میکردن. They were playing together with each other, or together, I guess. ناگهان آهو گم شد. All of a sudden. ناگهان means all of a sudden. آهو گم شد. The deer disappeared. گم شدن is the verb. گم شد is like it disappeared, or it vanished. Okay. حیوانات به دنبال آهو گشتند اما آهو را پیدا نکردند. حیوانات به دنبال آهو گشتند اما آهو را پیدا نکردند. Okay, so here حیوانات به دنبال آهو گشتند. به دنبال it means to go after somebody for search. They look after the deer. اما آهو را پیدا نکردند. But they couldn't find the deer. پیدا نکردن, it means that they couldn't find. ناگهان زاغ با عجله آمد و گفت آهو به دام صیاد افتاده. ناگهان زاغ با عجله آمد و گفت آهو به دام صیاد افتاده. So now here, ناگهان زاغ is the crow. The crow came with hurry, or in a rush, said, گفت آهو به دام صیاد افتاده. Sayad is the hunter. So Ahu, or the deer, trapped in the hunter's trap. So it was stuck in the trap of the hunter. Okay, now let's go to the next one. همه پریشان به طرف آهو دویدن. فیل گفت به دنبال چاره باشیم. Okay, let me read it one more time. همه پریشان به طرف آهو دویدن. فیل گفت به دنبال چاره باشیم. همه پریشان به طرف آهو دویدن. Everybody ran towards the deer with sadness. پریشان است، همه پریشان. پریشان است like sadness with being upset or being sad basically. Phil گفت the elephant said به دنبال چاره باشیم. We need to find a way. چاره is like way or we need to find a way. Okay. خرس گفت the bear said براین خرگوش را بیارین تا دام صیاد را جویده و پاره کند. خرس گفت برین خرگوش بیارین تا دام را جویده و پاره کند. So here it means خرس گفت, so the bear said برین خرگوش را بیارین. Then go and bring the rabbit تا دام صیاد جویده پاره کند. So he bites. جویدن is bite, to chew and to bite at the same time, and پاره کنه and tear the trap. Okay. زاغ به دنبال خرگوش رفت. خرگوش و موش با هم بازی میکردن. So زاغ به دنبال خرگوش رفت. The crow went to the rabbit. So to find the rabbit. خرگوش و موش با هم بازی میکردن. Both the rabbit and the mouse were playing with each other. با هم بازی میکردن. They were playing with each other. Okay. زاغ باورخطایی گفت آهو به دام صیاد افتاده. به کمک شما نیاز دارم. So again زاغ باورخطایی گفت آهو به دام صیاد افتاده. به کمک شما نیاز داریم or نیاز دارم. نیاز دارم is for one person. نیاز داریم is like we need your help. Again زاغ باورخطایی with panic said, well, he was panicked. ورخطایی is like to be panicked and said آهو به دام صیاد افتاده. So the deer is trapped in hunter's trap. با کمک شما نیاز داریم. We need your help. Okay. با کمک شما نیاز داریم. It means we need your help. خرگوش گفت the rabbit said این کار موش است. This is the work of the mouse, or he's just saying that it is not my task or I cannot do it. It is the work of the mouse. آنها همراه زاغ رفتند تا آهو را نجات بدهند. آنها یا اونا, there it should be اونا because it is a colloquial. The spoken اونا همراه زاغ رفتند تا آهو را نجات بدهند. So they went with the crow and to save or to rescue the deer. Okay, now let's go to next slide. So حیوانات از دیدن آنها خوشحال شدند. همه به طرف دام اشاره کردند. حیوانات از دیدن آنها خوشحال شدند. همه به طرف دام اشاره کردند. حیوانات از دیدن هو. From seeing these two little animals, rabbit and the mouse, they were so happy. خوشحال شدند. Literally it means they became happy. همه به طرف دام اشاره کردند. And everybody pointed towards the trap. اشاره کردن is to point. Alright, let's go to the next one. خرگوش و موش با عجله شروع به جویدن دام کردند. حیوانات دیگر طرف دام ایستاده بودند. خرگوش و موش با عجله شروع به جویدن دام کردند. حیوانات دیگر طرف دام ایستاده بودند. Okay, so خرگوش و موش با عجله شروع به جویدن دام کرد. So this means خرگوش and the rabbit and the mouse, with hurry, they started biting and chewing the trap. Dom is the trap. حیوانات دیگر طرف دام ایستاده بودن. And the other animals, they were standing around the trap. ایستاده بودن, it means they were standing. Alright. میخواستن از آمدن صیاد خبر بدن. میخواستن, so they wanted, میخواستن از آمدن صیاد خبر بدن. And they wanted to let them know that the Sayyad, the hunter, is coming. So they were there if the hunter was coming to let him know that, oh, there is Sayad, there is hunter coming. Okay. آهو میترسید که صیاد از راه برسد. خرگوش و موش دام را جویدند. آهو میترسید که صیاد از راه بیاید یا برسه. خرگوش و موش دام می جویدند. So آهو was the deer was scared that the hunter would arrive. برسد to arrive. خرگوش و موش دام می جویدند. Both the rabbit and the mouse, they were chewing. جویدن is to chew. They were chewing the trap. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. زاغ صیاد را دید که به طرف دام می آید. او حیوانات آگاه کرد. One more time. زاغ صیاد را دید که به طرف دام می آید. او حیوانات آگاه کرد. So زاغ صیاد را دید. So the crow saw the hunter that was coming, or he was coming towards the trap. او حیوانات آگاه کرد. So he let the animals know. آگاه کردن is to inform or to let somebody know. So he informed them. همه ورخطا شدن و موش و خرگوش دام را پاره کردند. آهو بیرون جست و همه فرار کردند. One more time. همه ورخطا شدن. موش و خرگوش دام را پاره کرد. آهو بیرون جست و فرار کرد. همه ورخطا شدن. Everybody panicked. ورخطا شدن is panicked. موش و خرگوش دام را پاره کرد. So both the mouse and the rabbit, they tore the trap. آهو بیرون just it means just is like he jumped out of somewhere. He jumped و فرار کردن. All of them run away. And the last one, آهو از مهربانی و همکاری همه حیوانات سپاسگزاری کرد. آهو از مهربانی و همکاری همه حیوانات سپاسگزاری کرد. The deer appreciated the help of all the animals for assisting him, for helping him. Okay, everybody, that is the end of the video for today. Hopefully you enjoyed something new today, and we will definitely make more contents. If you like our contents, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also share these kind of lessons with your friends. At the same time, we have one-on-one individual or personalized classes for you all. If you want to study with our tutors, you can definitely check our website at www.gaplanguages.com. And you can also find trial lessons linked down in the description. So thank you everybody. Khuda Hafiz. Waqt khush.